Alright, so bad news for turbo part 2, whatever case, turbo install part 2, because I won't be here when the new parts come, so I'm probably won't be able to film when it's getting installed. But for now, I'm gonna start mocking up this catch can setup I have. I think it's pretty cool because it utilizes the oil cap and turn that into a catch can setup. So I'll mock it up for now to make this video. In the meantime, outside he's ceramic coating some stuff, so I'm gonna have him ceramic coat the housing of my turbo. Little baby snail. I had them powder coat this the same color as my turbo, but I didn't want powder coat in here, so just grinded everything off to make it flat because it was a little edgy, like the edges was fucked up. But I'm gonna just start assembling it and then bring it to the car and show you guys how it's supposed to look. So long ago, if you see the time date, I already forgot how I had it assembled, but I have to put all the O-rings back in to make sure it's not leaking. So I have the parts here assembled ish. Everything's not tight, but I put the O-rings in. But essentially you take this off and I would assume put this here, or it's supposed to go in here, but it's kind of no room. Okay, so you make room, push that shit out the way. This is two separate pieces, but you screw it on, it becomes a new thread for your gas cap. You re-thread that in as the gas cap. It's not really threaded in properly. Maybe it's not flush, I don't know. But let's see, let's make sure it threads on. I got mad dirt and shit in here. So yeah, it threads in. So yeah, it's just a matter of getting that to go in there properly. Get that tight. I almost don't like it, but I'm gonna see how it does for now. If anything, I just go back to that. It's no big deal. I might need a tool to take this off whenever I do all the changes from now on, or check my oil. My injector is kind of in the way. Okay, yeah, when the injector moves, it frees up a lot of space. So maybe that one will have to be a little bit twisted for now. So now pretty much we know that it sits in a car like this by the oil cap. So now this is my lines, that's extra fittings, that's gonna be the little cheap catch can. Something for now. And I just need to make sure that I can route those lines to this with the right fittings. So I'm just gonna fake assemble it, and then later on I'm gonna have the guy outside put on the fittings, the AN lines or whatever it comes with, to match. For now I'm just pretty much gonna mock it up. So pretty much this is what we have. I had these fittings on it because I figured if I had these and angle it downwards, you know, gravity would feed the oil into the catch can. But it's kind of a little bit too bulky for right here. So I swapped it out with just a straight fitting. So then pretty much after we, assemble this onto the piping, wherever I need this to go. So now I just need to find a mounting spot for this, and I have no clue where that's gonna be for now, because Gotta put the turbo back in, see what space we actually have. But being that it faces that way, I don't know, for some reason I felt like I could put this way or that way. I don't know why right now it's only making me go this way. But whatever, since this is the only way for now. Yeah, so pretty much I just have to find a location to mount this. It has a drain plug I just put on, and then it has this little breather, the filter. Nothing is attached properly because, like I said, it's just a mock-up. But if the turbo's gonna be there, that pipe is gonna be in the way. Maybe, but then I need to clear my hood. I don't know. Or maybe we could have it swing around and come over here somewhere. Maybe drop it down here. I could probably just stick this shit down here and just have the tightness of all the tubes hold it. But the filter is still too tall. Or maybe if it's long enough, I could swing it down under here somewhere. Because I would assume I need the gravity to help. But bottom line is, I'll figure that out. Mount it wherever I gotta mount it. Maybe somewhere low here, readjust that bracket and mount it over here somewhere. The filter will fit. The turbo's not gonna be in the way. It's almost looking like the only shot to do it is right there. Hair's too close, unless, yeah, I can't even go that low with it here. And then when I need to drain it, I want to be able to. Probably gonna have to make a different version of this bracket and hang it off of something else a different way. But pretty much that's the way that setup is gonna be, and hopefully it goes good and not. I heard one of my friends said his cap unscrews itself sometimes, so hopefully I don't have no issues. I'm gonna check on it periodically as I'm driving, make sure there's no leaks, and if there's no leaks, then it's a quick, affordable catch can setup without drilling the holes into your, making the 10AN bungs in your valve cover. So for now, the only place it looks like it can fit is right here down by the battery. It's kind of stuck. Okay, so I'm gonna have, so that rusty battery tray right there, I think I'm gonna make an L bracket coming upwards. So in the bottom, then coming upwards, and then probably make a T on top of that L. So utilize these two mounting holes and have it sit right here somewhere, and then put a 90 up here, and then like a whatever degree that is over here, going straight up to there, and then call it a day for this because I don't really have no room. I was thinking about relocating the battery, but this is my fuse and stuff to my relay, so I'm not trying to mess with all that right now. But whenever that time comes, at least now I have a game plan on how to mount this. Pretty much packed it all the way. This can't fit, so I'm gonna leave it out. But this is the hose that I'm gonna run everything with. See how the tip is taped off? That's for, you know, pretty much slipping this section in. I've never really done that before. The other guy has, so he's gonna do it for me. Slipping this section in, cut it as needed, whatever. But until that time comes, that's when I'm gonna do that. This is about a turbo blanket. It's so tiny. Then I bought, these are like some V-band clamps and things that didn't fit because of Precision. I don't know what this is called, but I need that for the new turbo. I bought a heat line for, I think, the oil hose, the oil return. I bought this so in case it's kind of close to the headers. It was always close to the headers, so no issues. But now that I'm going back in there, this is like a high grade, flame proof and all that fancy stuff. More clamps and stuff that's not gonna work. I called Precision Turbo themselves, and they gave me the right part numbers and everything. This came with extra heat wrapping. I don't know if I'm gonna use it or for what, because all I need is a blanket. This is like one of those full sheets for your firewall, pretty much, or wherever you want to put it. I think I'm gonna put this next to my brake line. My brake lines and my brake. I don't know. I'm gonna put that somewhere, but I gotta see it when it's all together. But pretty much what happened was, on Instagram, we seen a guy selling a T3 turbo housing, 0.82 AR, just like mine's. I didn't realize that it wasn't a 62 trim. It was a 62 66 or something way bigger. And I told him, he's from Cali. I was like, listen, I'll buy it right now. I paid him the money. I paid him the money for shipping and everything. This guy, can't see it. Some Infiniti guy. He has a Q15 Cali. And I paid him the money for everything, and then he's going to the post office to ship it. I asked him for pictures and more details. These are the pictures he sent me. And then he showed me that, hey, is this address right, pretty much? And I'm telling him, hold up, before you ship it, let me know the information I'm asking you for, because if it doesn't work for my turbo, there's no reason to ship it. He's reading everything I'm saying. He proceeds to ship it. He proceeds to send me the tracking number. I'm like, bro, you have to go back and like pretty much cancel that order, because like I can't use it. But whatever, I got beat for $150. This is gonna come on Saturday. I'll be here to get it and receive it. He sent me the tracking number and everything, but if he was just to go cancel it, send me my money back, I wouldn't have been in an issue. But now I'm beat. I have this 66mm housing just gonna be sitting around for no reason. I'm probably gonna try to resell it. But yeah, that's the story of why everything's taking so long. So now I called Precision, got the part numbers and everything that I needed, and that won't be here till Monday. I was hoping to get this done before I had to leave on a work trip. I'm going upstate New York again on Sunday night, and the parts from Precision come Monday. So that's why I won't be able to finish the video as far as install go. Whenever I come back, hopefully it's done by then, and hopefully I have a tune date and everything by then. But yeah, for now, it's I got beat. But till next video, hopefully turbo's in, hopefully I have a tune date and everything to update you guys. But till then, peace out.